Attention med students, let's crack the truth about neck cracking. Cracking your neck might feel great, but it carries some serious risks. When you twist or tilt your neck, you could damage blood vessels or nerves. In rare cases, it can even lead to a stroke. Sounds scary, right? Here's what happens. The rapid movement can tear the vertebral artery, leading to blood clots. These clots can travel to your brain and cause a stroke. So next time you feel that urge to twist and pop, remember the risks. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have neck pain. Stay safe.